Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will quickly show you how to import GLB files in After Effects. First step, click the File tab in the top left corner. Then, hover your mouse cursor over Import and select File from the new window that opens. Now, select the GLB file you want to import into After Effects, and click Import button. Next, drag and drop the imported file onto the timeline. If there are any settings you want to change in your GLB file, you can change them here. Finally, click the OK button. As you can see, the 3D asset has been successfully imported into After Effects. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to import GLB files into Adobe After Effects has been informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.